Margins are shrinking. Customers expect perfection. Stockouts, excess inventory, long queues, high labor cost. Retailers fight symptoms, not the system. At Kaizen Institute, we work on the shop floor, redesigning processes from supply chain to checkout, aligning teams to improve performance. We go to Gemba, measure flows, remove waste, and help teams improve every day. Retail transformation isn't a slide deck. It is measurable performance on the shop floor and in the warehouse. Behind every great store, there are great logistics operation. At Auchan, the results were clear. Benefits exceeding 5 million euros, 30% more productivity, 25% more boxes per pallet, and logistics costs down 25%. The same teams with a better system. At SonIMC, the goal was simple: make retail flow faster and stronger. Capacity increased 30%. Productivity grew 21%. Loading time and stock coverage reduced. And the biggest proof? 40% less shrinkage, 30% fewer breakages. Service levels improved because the operation finally works as one. At Leclerc, improvements came from daily discipline. More than 150 hours saved every year just by finding stock faster. Inventory discrepancies eliminated. And the biggest proof, fresh shrinkage reduced by 48%. These are the results when retail is built to flow. Better systems across the store, stronger teams on the floor, a culture of customer centricity built for grocery retail.